ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಮೈ ಚಾನೆಲ್. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು 8th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ 6ನಲ್ಲಿ ಜೈನಿಸಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬುದ್ಧಿಸಮ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೋತ್ತರಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ಫಿಲ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಸೂಟಬಲ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಜೈನ್ ತೀರ್ಥಂಕರ ವಾಸ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಷಭ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್, ವರ್ಧಮಾನ ವಾಸ್ ಬಾರ್ನ್ ಅಟ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ಕುಂದಾಲ ಗ್ರಾಮ ಇನ್ ವೈಶಾಲಿ. Third one, Mahavira attained dash in his 42nd year. Answer is English tournament Kaivalya. Fourth one, Mahavira attended Nirvana at dash in his 72nd year. Answer is Pavapuri of Bihar. Fifth one, the original name of Gautama Buddha was dash. Answer is Siddhartha. Sixth one, Buddha delivered his first sermon at dash. Answer is Sarnath near Banaras. Seventh one, the first sermon of Buddha is called dash. Answer is Dharma Chakra Pravarthana. Eighth one, Macedonian king who attacked India was dash. Answer is Alexander. Second heading nodi makla. Answer the following questions in brief. Question number 9. Which are the 5 O's and Triratnas preached by Mahavira? Answer is the 5 O's preached by Mahavira: non-violence, truth, asteya, aparigraha and brahmacharya. The Triratnas preached by Mahavira: Samayakyam, Samayakyagan, Samyak Darshan and Samyak Chaitra. Question number 10. Name the sects among the Jains. Answer: Shvetambars and Digambars are the sects among the Jains. Question number 11. Which are the 4 noble truths preached by Buddha? Answer is the 4 noble truths preached by Buddha are: first one, the whole world is full of sorrows and suffering. Second one is desire is the main cause for sorrows. Third one is only by the liberation of excessive desires peaceful life could be led. Fourth one is for eliminating desire one should follow 8-fold path. Question number 12. What is the middle path? Answer is for eliminating desire one should follow 8-fold path. This is called the middle path. Question number 13. Which are the 8-fold path preached by Buddha? Answer is the 8-fold path preached by Buddha are: right action, right speech, right vision, right livelihood, right effort, right recollection, right resolve, right thought. Next, question number 14. Write a note on the Tripitakas. Answer: after Buddha's death, his followers collected his teachings and tradition in the form of Tripitakas. These are Vinayaka, Dhamma and Abhidhamma Pitakas. ಮಕ್ಕಳ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಜೈನಿಸಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬುದ್ಧಿಸಮ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೋತ್ತರಗಳು ಫಿಲ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸು ಮುಗಿದಿದೆ. ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದಲ್ಲಿ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ನ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಹಾಕುವಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಎನ್ಕರೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.